Hi everyone, I am Mr. Roberts, and this is
Mason.
And this is
Olive.
And we know this is our friendly mascot,
Star.
Hey, we're here today to talk about the Readathon. The Readathon is something we did last year, and it is amazing. Why is the Readathon important?
Because it helps raise money for our school.
Helps raise money for our school. And why else do we like the Readathon?
We get to read books.
We get to read books and have lots of fun doing it. Hey, I wanted to talk a little bit about a couple things about the Readathon. Here are some ideas as to why it's important. It helps get classroom supplies. It helps with field trips, helps with lots of different things. And our goal this year is to raise $12,000, and I believe we made that goal last year. So the question is, how does it work? Well, we're going to ask students to go home and ask for sponsors to help them raise money for our school for our Readathon. So our packet really tells how that works. So when that information goes home, share it with your parents. Talk to them, maybe talk to your parents about donating money, or talk to your grandparents or your families. There's all sorts of different ways of doing that. And people that raise money, students that raise money, we have some different prizes. So what are those prizes, you ask? Our first prize that you could get, anybody that returns their envelope will be entered in to a prize drawing to win a $10 Barnes & Noble gift card. We have 10 people that can get that. All students that raise at least $50 are entered in for a Scholastic Book Fair drawing for a $50 gift certificate, which is pretty cool. And the grand prize, all students raising $125 or more, they are eligible to win an Amazon Fire HD Kids Edition tablet or one $25 Amazon gift card. So we have a lot of different things that are coming in. Hey, and on our Readathon week, which starts October 8th, we have different days where you can bring in different amounts of money. Do you guys remember bringing in nickels, dimes, quarters?
Yes.
Dimes? Yes, on Monday the 8th. The first day of our Readathon, you will be bringing in pennies. Tuesday, nickels. Wednesday, dimes. Thursday, quarters. And Friday is our donation envelopes. By the way, the class that brings in the most money from coins will be eligible for a pizza party. So I don't know about you, but I'm a big fan of pizza. So that's kind of cool.
And even if you don't win any of our prizes, that's okay, because you still help raise money for our school.
That's right. I'll appreciate you making that very important point. Hey, students, in your packet, there's some other information about just hints for asking for donations if you choose to do that. And once again, that's through our PTA. And I forgot to tell you about some very important other things. Star, are you pumped up? Are you guys pumped up?
Yeah.
I forgot to tell you about the most important part. On that Friday, October 12th, we are going to have a reading rally. Are you ready to hear this? Everybody in our school is going to have a book, and we're going to go into our gym, and we are going to have, as part of our rally, a reading rally where we all get to be together and read for a little bit, which is pretty cool. And just like last year, teachers will be doing some special activities based on reading within your classrooms to celebrate the end of our Readathon and to celebrate reading. Sound like fun?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Well, that's it, everybody. We are excited for the Readathon. Have a great rest of the day, and we look forward to seeing you in the gym on our Readathon Rally Day. Take care, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.